At its core, a 401 error is an HTTP status code that signals a problem with authentication. In Venmo's case, this means the app is failing to validate your username and password, your session, or the access tokens it uses to connect to Venmo's servers. Before diving into more complex solutions, ensure you have a stable internet connection. A weak or interrupted connection can prevent Venmo from verifying your credentials. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data or restarting your router. Sometimes the simplest solutions are the most effective. When encountering a 401 error on Venmo, the first step is to verify your login details. Double-check that you're entering the correct username, which is usually your email address or phone number, and your password. Even a small typo in either field can trigger this authentication failure. If you're unsure about your password, use the Forgot Password option to reset it securely. This will send a verification code to your associated email or phone number. Make sure you have access to the email address or phone number linked to your Venmo account, as you'll need it to complete the reset process and regain access. Sometimes cache data can become corrupted and interfere with Venmo's authentication process. Clearing the app's cache can resolve this issue. The process varies slightly depending on your operating system. For Android devices, start by opening the Settings app. Go to Apps or Apps and Notifications, find Venmo, tap Storage or Storage and Cache, and then tap Clear Cache. For iOS devices, open Settings, scroll to Venmo, and either offload or delete the app, then reinstall it from the App Store. Note that iOS does not have a direct cache clear option. This method effectively clears the cache by removing and reinstalling the app. VPNs and proxy servers can sometimes interfere with Venmo's connection to its servers, leading to authentication errors. Temporarily disable your VPN or proxy server and try logging in to Venmo again. If this fixes the issue, you may need to adjust your VPN settings. Occasionally, Venmo's servers may experience outages or maintenance, which can cause 401 errors. When servers are down, authentication requests fail, resulting in unauthorized errors. To check if this is the issue, visit Venmo's official website or check their social media channels for any announcements regarding server status. If there's an outage, the best course of action is to wait until the issue is resolved. Addressing potential account locks is crucial when dealing with Venmo's security measures. Repeated failed login attempts can trigger Venmo's security measures and lock your account temporarily. If you suspect this is the case, wait a few hours and try again. Avoid attempting to log in multiple times in quick succession. If the issue persists, contact Venmo support. If you've exhausted all the troubleshooting steps and the 401 error persists, it's time to reach out to Venmo support for direct assistance. Venmo's support team can investigate account-specific issues and provide personalized solutions. When contacting support, make sure to have your account information ready, including your registered email address, phone number, and details about recent transactions that triggered the error. Prepare these key details before contacting support. Your email address associated with the account, your phone number for verification, and information about any recent transactions or actions that led to the error. This helps support resolve your issue more efficiently. You can contact Venmo support through the app's help section or visit their website Help Center for additional resources and live chat options. Support is available to help with authentication issues and account access problems. Proper device permissions are crucial for Venmo to function correctly. Make sure your camera, microphone, and location services are enabled for the app. The app requires access to your camera for scanning QR codes, microphone for voice notes and payments, and location for security verification. A 2026 Forbes report reveals that only 45% of users are aware they need to check these permissions, so verify yours are set correctly to avoid issues. Experts predict a 40% drop in authentication errors by 2028 through predictive maintenance and improved security protocols. Venmo is continuously working to enhance its security and reduce the occurrence of 401 errors. Stay updated with the latest app versions and security recommendations.